So this is the outcome of the fish roll. Look at how it's looking, so fine, so yummy. If you taste this fish roll, it does so good. Guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigeria fish roll, perfect Nigeria fish roll, using just 3 cups of flour. And trust me, the recipe is very simple and delicious, and you will love it. Without wasting much of our time, let me show you the ingredients we are going to be using for this tutorial. Let's go. Ingredients we are going to be using. Here is my all-purpose flour, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then here is my butter, half cup of butter or margarine. Then here is my sugar, 1/4 cups my milk powder. Then in here I have my salt, half teaspoon. Then this one is my baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Then this is the egg I'm going to be using. Then this is the fish I'm going to be using, Titus fish. Then on this is what I'm going to be using for the fish seasoning. And this is my rolling pin. This one is my dough cutter, my seed. We are going to be frying it. This is 2 tablespoons of oil. Pour it into the pot or frying pan, whatever you have that you want to use. Once the oil is hot, then you go in with your onions. Your onions, you stir fry it. And the next thing, you add in your pepper. You stir fry them. You add in a little curry. I already added curry when I was cooking the fish. I'll just add a little. So the next thing is to add our fish. I have the bonnet. Then we'll fry it. While you're doing it, you can taste it. If there's anything that is missing, like me now, I'm going to add little salt. So it's ready. We're going to keep it aside and allow it to cool while we prepare our dough for the fish roll. So our fillings is ready. We'll start by sieving our flour. Please always sieve your flour, because sometimes you find that there are some tiny particles in it. So I advise that you always do or sieve your flour. You see, this one has some things inside it. So this is our sugar. We go in with our sugar. Then the salt and baking powder, add them, add all the dry ingredients, the powdered milk, add it. The next thing to do is to mix it with our butter. While doing this, you always wash your hand before you start cooking. Like this now, you can't do it. You cannot mix it with just one hand. You have to use your 2 hands to do it. And when you add your butter, please try to mix it very well. The next thing is to add our egg. Please, before cracking egg inside it, make sure your egg is fresh. I did it because I was sure of it. It's a very fresh egg. It's time to add water. This point is very important. While adding your water, you have to be very careful. So this is 1 cup of water. Add it and mix it. Your dough dough should not be too soft, your dough should not be too thick. So at this point my dough is ready, so I'm going to leave it and allow it to settle for a few minutes. Please don't finish one cup. I did not finish my one. So if you are still watching up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me a thumbs up so that whenever I post something like this, you'll be able to see it. So here is our fish. It's all dry and it's already cooked. So let's sprinkle some flour in your working surface. Put in your dough. You can knead it for a few minutes, but don't overwork it. Okay, let's cut the dough. Flatten it very well. Once you're done flattening it, you add your fish. Please don't forget to always brush the mouth so that it will be able to close. If you don't brush it with water, if you are using egg with egg, if you are using flour and water with flour, if you don't do it like that, it will not close. It will just open. Repeat the process until you finish everything. Alright, it's time to fry it, and I've already heated my oil. Please try to fry it. You fry it until golden brown. Please make sure you tune down your gas so that it will not burn. So at this point, fish roll is ready. Let's bring it out. The fish roll is ready, and this is what I got from the 3 cup that we produced. So let's open one and see how it looks like. This is so good, so good. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my comment section if you're going to try this recipe, and give me feedback, the outcome. Bye.